Yeah, now I'll just wait for everybody to join now. 15 of them must come again. Yes, I'll tell you now. You have to write neatly. Whatever you write, you have to. Sri Mukilan, are you seeing the laptop, Sri Mukilan? Yes. Phone means it will be very hard for you. That's what. Yes, ma. Yes, Sri Mukilan. Don't strain yourself. Phone or laptop? Okay. Children, it's better to see in the laptop because you must not strain your eyes. Okay, now we'll just see what you have to do today. I will wait for others just for a few minutes. Okay, anyway, I'll just present. Now just listen. No. 1 minute, children. Hands. 1 minute. This is 101 minute to previous page. Sorry. Wait, not 98, 99. You finished. We'll be doing 100.
Close. Escape again.
Yeah, 1 minute. Wait a minute, children. Now just see page number 100. You take and write today's date. Today is 22. Write today's date, 22nd. And children, now just look at this. You have the same thing in your textbook. Please take out your scale. Any drawing, you have to use the scale. Understood? Now, third question, slanting line. See how a slanting line looks. It looks like this. Just see. Slanting. And there is one example for slanting. See that ladder. It's not straight. You cannot keep the ladder straight. Slanting position. Okay. Hope you understood what is a slanting line. Let me see you all now. I just want to know. Yes, children, please see your textbook. Who's that turning the pages? Jane. Is it Jane? Page number 100. Keep your book on a table, on a plain surface. Who's that? Sachin. Otherwise, you won't be able to draw because next thing you have to draw. Okay. After doing the textbook exercise, I will ask you to show me the textbook for the neatness, for the neat work. Okay, now who joined? Just Sachin. Okay, Sachin. Those who are joining late, They will be disturbing us, asking for them. Page 100. Page 100. Now, fun time. Straight to fun time. You write today's date. I want everybody to do by yourself. It's done so clearly. So when you practice, who's that? You will not make mistake. Please write today's date 22-10 next to fun time. Sachin, turn off your mic, Sachin. And I just want to know who's talking in between. Akshara, look at the screen and look into your book. Now, you have to take a scale and a pencil. Now you have two dots in each square. Two dots in each square. There, what you have to do, you have to keep the scale from one end to the other. Draw lines. First one is a horizontal line. Draw line. Join the two dots, everybody. I told you I have to see your, yes, how Jane is sitting. I want to see the notebook on the table. Join all the two red dots. First one is a horizontal line. John, tell me another word for horizontal. What do you call it? It's lying. What do you call that line? When you lie, what will you do when you lie? What do you do at night? John Matthew, look at me, John. Don't look here and there. Look into the screen. What happened? In your textbook, you join the two dots. Oh, okay. John, are you ready? That line is, yeah, that line is the horizontal line. Tell me another name of that line.
Sleeping line.
Yeah, that's all. What happened? Something happened to the system. So that's sleep. Okay, ma. Sleeping line. Join two dots only with your scale. No crooked line. It should be a straight line. I think Anandit or Arjun, one will have to come to my house because both are standing and this is my restaurant. Okay, John. Thank you. Don't say anything. Now, second one, Joshika, I need your help. Join the second picture, two dots, up and down.
Jessica.
What is it called?
Standing line.
Otherwise, second name, vertical line. Say
vertical line.
Vertical. See, you must know the term vertical line or standing up and down. Arushi, almost turn on your mic.
Vertical line, standing line.
Okay, thank you, Joshika.
Thank you,
okay. Now, I want Archana to tell third picture. What line is it? Archana, tell me the third and fourth picture. What line is it? Huh? Look, slanting, open your mouth and speak. Slanting lines. Good. Not standing, slant. There is a slant. John, sit up straight. Your chin should be up. Yes, good. Okay. Now, first one is, now I want Akshara to tell all the names. What is the first one? Akshara. Akshara, you are talking to your mother or somebody. I will get angry. Please, no. You are showing your eyes now. You just tell me what is the first line, sleeping line. What is it called? Horizontal line. Horizontal line.
Horizontal.
Second one, standing, up and down, standing. Another name of it?
Vertical.
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 Parents, please leave the children free. vertical. Now, the last two lines, slanting. Last two lines, slanting lines. Okay, children. Hope
Slanting line.
all of you have done this. Yes. Now we'll go to the next one. Shusho. 1 minute. 1 minute, Akshara. Akshara, then. Yeah. Next one. Yes, all get ready and be alert. The ma'am is drawing, slanting. No, sorry, first one horizontal, next one vertical, that is standing. First one sleeping,
Vertical
second one
line.
standing. Now slanting, again slanting. Now we'll go to the next one. Listen now carefully. Next to exercise 2, write today's date, because I will ask you, take this date. Then I will check your textbook. Circle the correct answers. A letter with, you don't tell, please do all the three, I will ask you. A letter with curved line only, not straight line. Straight line and curved line, but one letter has only curved line. I will ask you. Adonia, are you there, Adonia? Adonia. See, when I'm calling, they're not there. Ashwant, your turn, Ashwant. Tell me.
Ma'am.
Ashwant, 1 minute. Tell me which line only. Adonia, wait now, Adonia. Ashwant is there, I'll call you later. Ashwant, a letter with only curved line. Can you tell me? NSP. One letter got only curve. You know what is a curved line? Curve.
N, ma'am.
Which one?
N.
See, Ashwant, that has all straight lines, straight line, all N. Now 1 minute, Adonia, 1 minute, Ashwant, wait. Adonia, can you tell me which letter has curved line?
Ma'am.
Very good. See, no problem, I'll ask you again. Ashwant, you see, yes, only it has curved line. Thank you. Now I'm going to ask Ashwant, because you must be knowing now. Ashwant, tell me the number with straight lines. Now you know what is curved line, and only one number with straight. That can be slanting, no problem. Tell me. Yes?
5, ma'am.
See, this child is not understanding. Wait, ma, listen. 5 has straight line and curve. See that 5? Now 1 minute. Cyrus, tell me now. Cyrus?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the letter. Only straight lines. It can be slanting, sleeping, standing, no problem. No curve. Number?
Number 4.
Yeah, see children, there is slanting line, there is sleeping line, there is standing line, but it's all straight. Okay, now, Ashwant, can you answer me now? 1 minute. A letter with, 1 minute. A letter with curved and straight line. Curved and straight line. You must not make mistake. One straight line, one curved line.
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
Not that, ma. See, I'm asking the next question. Look at the screen. Think. A letter. I didn't ask the number. A letter with both curved and straight line. Now you understood what I'm asking. Please tell me. Which one?
D.
Very good. Now you understood. Straight line and a curved line. Good, Ashwant. Next one. Now I'm going to the next one. Don't come. Hrithik Pranav. A number with Ritik, Ritik,
Ma'am.
a number, okay. A number with curved line only curve.
7.
See this boy. What do you mean by okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll call the next person. John Matthew.
Yes,
ma'am. John Matthew, tell me a number with curved line.
6.
See that you don't, children, I'm not blaming you. You learn. You learn now. Curve. It's not straight. 7 you have slanting and slipping. 1 also has the same thing. Okay, now I want Ritik to tell the next one. A figure with straight lines only straight lines, no curve, only straight lines. Among these 3 figures, circle, triangle, then half sphere. Now tell me. Ritik, look at the pictures. No curve. It's only straight lines. 3 straight lines together formed a figure. Tell me. First, second, or third picture, you tell me.
Straight line.
It's tough. Okay, I will teach. Don't worry. Now, 1 minute, children. See the first one. It's 1 minute, 1 minute. Ritik, 1 minute. Others listen. 1 minute. Now, Kevin, can you explain to me? First one is Kevin, only listen to the question. What is the first one, Kevin? Is it a curve? Excuse me, please turn off all your mics. Only Kevin, I'm asking Kevin. I don't need chorus answer. Kevin, can you tell me the first figure? Is it a curved figure? First one.
No, ma'am.
First one, is it a curved one? Circle. Circle, is it a curved figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are telling no now? Now, second one. Tell me about second one. That figure is formed with 3 straight lines or curved lines?
Straight lines.
Then what is the answer for the question E? A figure with straight lines only. Can you tell me the answer?
Triangle.
Very good. See, children, it's nothing is tough. You must understand when I teach and listen to the other children. Ritik, I will give you another chance, okay, afterwards. Now, triangle. It has 3 straight lines. See, look there. Straight lines includes slanting line, standing line, even sleeping line. See, 1 minute. After teaching, you must not close your book and go off. You have to go back to the recording and see to it because you are having only 30 minutes class. Okay, children, you can learn. Any doubt, I will teach you. See the next figure, Ritik. Just come on the screen, Ritik. I will teach you. Ritik, third figure. There is one. What line is that on top? Slipping line. That is horizontal line. And down you see it is a curve. That only is curve. Okay. 2 halves make a full. 2 curves together. See that? You just remove the middle line. You will get a circle. Okay. Circle is a curved figure. Okay, Ritik. Now we'll go to the next one. We'll see. Identify. Okay, turn off your mic. The horizontal. You have to think. These are all quiz questions. You have to have in your mind. Horizontal means sleeping lines. First you check how many horizontal, how many vertical, how many slanting. Okay. Now please see that. 1 minute, children. You will make mistake. I'll tell you how to do it. Horizontal. First you have to do slanting line. Count and write the slanting lines. Then ma'am will do. Slanting lines. Not sleeping lines. Slanting. S-L-A-N-T. That only first arrow shown. The picture you see. How many slanting lines? After counting that, don't say, please. Turn off your mic. Now, next child is Kushagra. Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me? I will just show you here the arrow. Is this a slanting line? Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Is 1 minute. 1 minute. Is this a slanting line?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the first one. Is this a slanting line?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me how many slanting lines are there?
3, ma'am.
Now, 1 minute. We are going to do horizontal. Okay, 3 is there. Now, I will call one. Kushagra, it's right. But just wait because we are showing the horizontal first. Now, Mithilesh is not there. Present. Now, present, come back. We'll see horizontal first. Because that answer only I've done first. Present, please come. Present.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Okay, present. 1 minute. Now, I'm showing you the line. Is this horizontal line, sleeping line, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then is this horizontal sleeping line?
Yes, ma'am.
And on top, is this horizontal or a sleeping line? This one.
Sleeping line.
Yeah. So altogether, how many sleeping lines are there?
3.
3. You have to do the first. Very good. Now, Kushagra, I'll come back to you. Now, next is vertical line. Wait, I'll call the next. Sachin. Sachin.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sachin. 1 minute. I want you to tell me the vertical line. Okay, 1 minute. Vertical line. Vertical means stand up and down. Now you count. I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
First
1.
one. What is this? Only Sachin is talking. What is this line? 1 minute.
Standing.
This is vertical. You use the same word. Standing line or vertical line. What is this?
Line.
Say loud. I'm not able to hear. Vertical line. Say.
Vertical line.
That means standing. Next one, this one.
Vertical line.
How many lines are there, children? Tell me, Sachin. How many? 1, 2, 3.
3.
How many vertical lines?
3.
Now we are coming back to Kushagra. He said we are just seeing slanting. How many slanting lines, Kushagra? Kushagra? Yes. Now you got the answer. If you are not clear, once again we'll see horizontal. 1, 2, and here is one long line. 3. 3 sleeping line or horizontal line. Now vertical standing. 1, 2, 3. 3 standing lines or vertical lines. Now slanting. 1, 2. Where is the third one? Here. Okay, here. 3. 1, 2, 3. So that answer is over. Ritik, are you sure? Are you clear about it? Ritik, curved lines, straight lines, standing lines.
Yes,
Don't worry. Okay, and I'll teach you when I take this in your classwork note. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. Now this is very interesting, children. 1 minute. Let me see how the children are sitting. Yes. No playing. No playing now. We'll go to the next one. We'll go to the next one. Very nice. How many horizontal, vertical, and slanting? Children, you can do one thing. Just on top of this question, horizontal, you just draw and keep one sleeping line here. Sleeping, vertical standing, standing straight line, slanting like this. so that it will be easy for you to count. They want to know from this word how many horizontal lines, how many vertical lines, how many slanting lines. You please find out. I will give you just 2-3 minutes. By that time, I'll call the next person and the child will answer. Okay. Sachin finished. Now, Sanjay Krishna is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjay, others can do by yourself. We are going to see how many sleeping lines are there. In H, how many sleeping lines are there in H?
1, ma'am.
1. In E, how many lines are there?
3.
So 1 plus 3, you are getting 4. In A, how many lines are there?
1.
So altogether, how many sleeping lines?
5, ma'am.
Very good, Sanjay Krishna. There's a big clap for you. Okay. Other children, very, very good, Sanjay. Now, other
Thank you.
children. Okay. Now, please, who's that? Who called me ma'am now? Is it Sanjay? Okay, Sanjay, very good. Okay. Now I will ask other children. Good, Sanjay. There's a big clap from ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Now we'll go to the next one. Now listen. I don't want anyone to help them because let them learn. Now, vertical lines. I'm going to call the next person. After Sanjay, I want Sanjeevan. Sanjeevan, are you there?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Good, Sanjeevan. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, Sanjeevan. Now we are going to find the your standing vertical lines. H. How many vertical lines are there in H? H.
How vertical line star in H?
No. Please. Only the number you say. How many vertical lines or standing lines in H? Tell me the number. If you're not sure about it, I will come back. No. Please. Stop. Sanjeevan. Don't say, ma. Don't say. Other children will be confused. I will come back to you. Sanjit, because when you tell wrong answer, others also will learn. Sanjit, can you tell me? Sanjit? Sanjeevan will get chance. Sanjit? No, Sanjit. Now this is Sri Mukilan's turn. Sri Mukilan, you have to answer, nobody else. And Sri Mukilan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the letter H. How many standing lines are there? Vertical, straight. Not straight, standing, up and down. How many lines are there? See, you're taking time. I'll go to the next person because... Okay, 1 minute. No. Wait, just don't say anything. Now I asked only one letter. Tridep, please keep quiet. Mukilan, please keep quiet, Mukilan. I asked you how many standing lines in H. You are telling the full answer. Let me explain to other children. Tridep, how many standing lines? Only Tridep. How many standing lines in H?
2, ma'am.
Who's this child in between coming? Only Tridip is answering. Tridip, H. How many vertical lines? 2. You told me 2. Other children are answering. Tridip, please answer fast. H.
Okay.
How many vertical lines?
3.
Sure. Now I just want to know who's answering with Tridip. Tridip, I'm asking you. You just tell me. You take the letter H. Only standing lines. How many are there?
1.
Okay, leave it. Not Tridip, it's wrong. Cyrus. I don't want you to. I will teach you. Cyrus, letter H. How many standing lines are there? Not standing. Vertical. Now 1 minute, children. I will tell you. You all are confused. Now, vertical means up and down. Look here. 1, 2. What? That's what I'm telling. Don't tell all the answers together. Please look at the screen. This is standing. This is standing. This is sleeping. Sleeping is horizontal. Standing. Don't tell me tough. I am explaining it to you clearly. 1, 2. 2 standing line. In E, how many standing line? Cyrus? In E. E.
Ma'am, can I answer? This is deep.
I just don't want anybody to say anything. I'm explaining to you and I'm asking you. Now, tell me in E, letter E, Cyrus, how many standing line?
And there is one standing line.
So only one. So here 2 plus 1, 3. Now see this letter. This is for Jane. Jane, please tell me how many standing line? No standing. In M. Letter M.
T.
No. Now, children, 1 minute. Now just look at the screen. 1, 2. Now 3, 4,
5.
then what is this?
6.
6. The last one.
7.
1 minute. 7. You
7
don't
straight
have to-
lines.
Children, first of all, you just go back to the recording and see what is slanting line. See your textbook. What is slanting and standing. Once again, I'll tell. 1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5. A has only slanting and sleeping. Now last N, it is 6, 7. Now I want slanting lines. Next child, Jeff. Jeff, please tell me how many slanting lines in this word. Children, nothing. Ma'am will teach you again with some other word. Don't tell that you did not understand. You will understand when we do the next class. Now, slanting line. Tell me, H, there is no slanting line. Jeff,
Yes.
E, is there any slanting line?
No, ma'am.
Very good. M,
2 slanting line, ma'am.
very good. A,
2 slanting line,
so 2
ma'am.
plus 2, 4.
2
N,
slanting line, ma'am.
N,
And 1 slanting line.
very good. Altogether, how many?
5.
Yes, children, you don't need to get scared. No need to get worried because ma'am did not ask, because I didn't want you to tell wrong answers because other children will know. Now I explain to you. Again, I will form certain words and make you understand. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, children, nothing to get worried, Mukilan. Okay, thank you, children. You can leave the class and get ready for the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.